Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this smartphone. First of all, just open Settings and choose Sound section here. Then tap on Vibrate Vocals and tap on one of those options to pick the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first and ring gradually. I will go with Always Vibrate. When you're ready, tap on the back button. Now scroll down and choose Shortcut to prevent ringing. Now you can set up Vibrate by tapping on it if it's not already on. Then go back, scroll down and click on the sweater next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to enable or disable this option, and manage touch vibrations by clicking on this sweater next to Touch Vibration feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!